I'm Michael with Case Elegance. Thanks so much for your interest in our Octodor. The Octodor is our premier pull out all the stops model that stores up to 100 cigars, has black piano finish, custom space gray hardware, and a patent pending embedded hydro system for cigar humidification. Let me take just a second here to walk you through some of the features of the Octodor. We've designed a drawer in the front, plenty of space to store your travel cigar case, your cutter, and your lighter, and any other cigar accessories you might have. We've also put magnets in the drawer to lock it in tight. We've replaced the traditional analog hygrometer with a more accurate digital version. Just pull the plastic tab to activate on the back side of the hygrometer. We've taken a lot of time and effort on the seal to make sure we really lock in the humidity for your cigars. We've embedded magnets in the lid here, and we've also custom designed exterior hinges. We've tested both interior and exterior hinges, and we found that exterior hinges perform much better at keeping the cigars humidified. When you open up the Octodor, the first thing you're going to notice is the overwhelming smell of Spanish cedar. Spanish cedar is absolutely great for holding humidity and keeping your cigars tasting great. Inside, you'll notice a tray for separation with a movable partition. Now I want to take just a second to walk you through seasoning your Octodor with our hydro system. The hydro system is our easy to use, accurate, and low maintenance cigar humidification system. When you get your new Octodor, open it up, cut off the zip tie from the Humidor solution, remove the tray, open the drawer in the front. This is where the hydro system is located. And then remove the individual components of the hydro system, which is going to include some instructions. You're going to want to go to caseelegance.com/warranty and register using this code. That's going to get you 50% off your bottle of Humidor solution, which you're definitely going to need, so make sure you do that. Now, we're ready to start seasoning your new Octodor. And the first thing you're going to want to do is open the Humidor solution, remove the plastic. And there's actually another heat seal on the top of the lid here, so you're going to unscrew that and remove that as well. Open it up. Now, what we're trying to do here, you take a sponge or a piece of paper towel, and you're going to wet it. You definitely don't want to use more than 1/4 of the bottle. We're just really trying to get this moist, but you don't want it completely saturated because too much solution or water inside the humidor will cause warping of wood. So you're really just trying to get a boost here because this is such a large humidor and you need a humidity boost. So you're going to wipe down the cedar on the inside. You're also going to grab the tray and you're going to wipe down the tray as well. Really nice, even moisture to it. Now, we're ready to start with the hydro system. And it's kind of, we've made an embedded hydro system, but while you're seasoning, you want to go ahead and put the wood tray down here. Grab the hydro tray, and we're going to actually stick it on top. Once the humidor is seasoned, you can put it inside as an embedded system, but right now we're just trying to get as much moisture into the humidor as possible, so we're going to put it on top. So you're going to want to open the tray by running your finger along the edge here. And then you're going to want to take out the gel pack, open it up, and evenly distribute it along the hydro tray. Next, you're going to want to take the humidor solution and really fill up the tray. Now this is twofold. One, you're trying to get the crystals to saturate as much water as possible. That's your long-term humidity release. The next thing you want though is you want a lot of excess moisture in the bottom of this tray. So you want to use the tray as a basic bowl of water in the bottom of your humidor. So every 24 or 48 hours, you're going to want to come and check the humidity. If it's 65% or higher, then you can start the process of putting your cigars in. If not, you need to re-wipe down the humidor as we suggested in the beginning. Again, not too much liquid here because we don't want to saturate the wood and cause warping. Seasoning overall can take up to 7 days, so make sure you're patient with the process. Before you do put your cigars in, make sure to remember to take the hydro tray out, take the cover out, and embed the hydro tray in the bottom so that your cigars don't have to touch the tray. Another thing to note is that the hygrometer sensor is right here in the front of the humidor, And then over the top of the tray, you can really get about 5% higher than the hygrometer's reading, which means if you're at 63, 64, 65, your bottom row of cigars here is probably actually sitting at closer to 68 to 70%. So keep that in mind as you watch the front hygrometer. Obviously, don't forget to put the tray back in. If you have any questions, feel free to give us an email at help@caseelegance.com, or you can check the bottom of our website for our phone number. Thanks a lot.